Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be reviewing the new face product from Becca. That is the new No Pigment Virtual Foundation, Becca Zero. It launched on July 26th, and today I will be reviewing this product for you. So it claims to give you a super flawless skin. I've heard so many things about this product, but today I just want to try that out and give you my honest opinion about. So this is how it comes in. As you can see, a Becca Zero No Pigment Virtual Foundation, and here at the bottom you have like a description of what this product should do. It says No Pigment Virtual Foundation uses clear light blur technology that diffuses light around the face to smooth and blur imperfections without pigment. Formulated with hyaluronic acid to instantly hydrate, it cools on contact and helps perfect skin with a natural matte finish. Application: use spatula to apply product to fingertips, gently smooth and tap onto the face. It retails for $36 and it comes in 30 milliliters. The price in euros I will be having down below. So let's see the product itself. So here we have the product. The packaging, I don't know, it seems to be made out of glass, but it might be like this super hard plastic. I can't really tell you. It comes in 30 milliliters and it has this beautiful white cap with the name on it. So let's see how it looks inside. So we get a spatula. It's super tiny spatula. Then we have like this protective cap, and then the product itself. So let's see this. Okay, as you can see, it's super clear. It has no pigment at all, as they claim to be. So it feels like something wet. It's not oily or sticky. It feels like water. I also get somehow of a cooling effect. Okay, so let's try this product out. Okay, so I have nothing on my face. As you can see, I have some pimples and redness, especially here around my nose. So I'm gonna be trying this Becca No Pigment Foundation, and let's see what this craziness is all about. So I'm gonna be taking some amount with the spatula, and I will be applying here on my forehead and all over my face. So the first impression that I'm getting from applying this product, it's this kind of cooling effect, but I must say this spatula thing doesn't really work. So I'm gonna be applying that with my fingers. So let's do this. Yeah, so this cooling effect, it's definitely there. I can really feel it. That it's really cool. That it's nice. Okay, so do I see any changes? I don't know. I can totally say that I got some. I mean, it covered a little bit my pores. The ones that I have here on my cheeks, close to my nose. I have like quite big pores there around this area. It didn't cover my pimples, that is for sure. It took maybe a little bit out of the redness as well that has been going on my nose. But other than that, I don't see any difference. So now on my skin, you know, when I tried the product here on my hand, it wasn't oily, it wasn't sticky or anything like that. But here on the face, maybe because I've used a little bit more of the product to cover my face, it feels, you know, when you sweat and that dries. So this is the feeling that you get, and it's not like super touchy, but you can definitely say that you have something on your skin, but it's not bad. As far as it goes for the coverage, sadly, I mean, I don't see any, you know, crazy changes on my skin. As I said, maybe it took away a little bit from the redness that I have on my here on the cheeks, so around my nose, and here the pores seem to be a little bit smaller, but other than that, I don't see any big changes by using this product. I really don't get the meaning of the name they used, foundation, because it definitely isn't working as a normal foundation, not even as a BB cream. As a primer, you might want to use it if you have a almost flawless skin, but if you have some acne or scars or pigmentation and stuff like that, that is not going to be a product that you want to use, because it won't change anything, it won't coverage, it's nothing. As I said, I did see some changes here on the redness that I have, but other than that, for a no makeup look, this is definitely not the product that I will be grabbing for. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this product, and also if you ever tried it or if you want to try it. I do hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell notification. And next week I'm gonna be having another review on an amazing product, and I will see you next week. But until then, take care, bye!